taking behind the scenes on how we captured this lifestyle stop motion video using an iPhone and the Life Lapse app, which is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. Before you get started, be sure to switch your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't switch off while you're shooting your stop motion. To get started on a new project, click the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Once your scene is set up, be sure to lock your exposure, white balance and focus so these stay consistent within each of your photos. Here you can see our scene set up. We have a phone on a tripod, we have our light source coming from the right hand side. And what we're doing is we're slowly opening up the closet, taking a photo between each of those movements. We're using a Bluetooth remote to capture each of our photos, and we're stepping off to the side between each shot to make sure we're not creating any shadows or appearing in the frame. You can also choose to stand behind the phone while you're capturing each of the photos. If you're using a Bluetooth remote, be sure to make sure the volume of your phone is turned up so you can hear each photo being captured. Once the closet is fully opened, that's when we started adding items to the top shelf, and again we're taking a photo between each item being added. For the end items, we did check the phone to make sure that they were positioned okay in the shot, and then we proceeded to add those items in between. This kind of stop motion is perfect for lifestyle blogging content. If you have any clothing products or anything that would make sense to be in a closet, you can also alternatively use like a clothes rack. It doesn't have to be a closet. If you don't have accordion doors, then obviously you can just use an alternate type of animation. If it's a sliding door, you can just slide that door open bit by bit, taking a photo between each shot. If it's a normal door, you can just again open that door a little bit and take a photo between each movement. So once the shelf was full, that's when we proceeded to add clothing to the rack itself. So again, we're adding a piece of clothing, taking a photo, adding a piece of clothing, taking a photo, and repeating that process until the whole rack is full of clothes. As an alternative idea, you could also choose to have this be a stop motion where you're switching out your wardrobe. So perhaps you're going from your winter wardrobe to your spring wardrobe. So you can, instead of adding items in, you could have it so that you're switching out items. There's a lot of different options when it comes to this, but we're just showing you how you can create a stop motion with items being added in. You could also shoot this video in reverse so the items are already in the closet and you're just going to be taking out an item bit by bit. That will help with spacing. Then you can just use the reverse functionality in the editing. So once you have all of your clothes in the closet, it's just a matter of closing the doors, taking a photo between each movement. Once you have all of your photos captured, you can open up the in-app editor. For this particular video, we added a freeze effect to the frame where the last clothing item was added, just to give a bit of a pause effect before the closet door closes again. We also increased our speed slightly in the video, increased our brightness and saturation, and decreased our warmth. Just helps give the video a little bit more of pop. And then we saved our video once all the editing was done, and here's a reminder of the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.